So as you know, themes are free and premium. Here's how you can buy premium themes. I'm buying in from Invato Market. There are a lot of different platforms from where you can buy themes. In this case, I want to buy a theme for some kids online store, and I already have searched my theme. Here you can come and search themes. This is a theme which I want to buy. Make sure while buying themes, you check that when was it updated, what is it using. So here, if you see, last update was on 9th April 22, and it's compatible with WooCommerce e-commerce, which is in WordPress and is using Elementor. You can always check the demos and everything. And since you have to pay in US dollars, you can use your card or PayPal account. Once you go ahead, once you check, so I'm adding to the cart. So if you see, $59 is the theme cost plus $2 is the handling fee. Here I am paying with my card, so I'll just enter my card and then you can just go ahead and pay securely. That's how you go ahead with buying themes, and then you'll see those themes in your store. I'll show you where. You can go to your downloads and see what are themes you have purchased. And mostly the themes are, of course, the license. So here, if you see, it's for license one. I can use it one time, and then if I want to use it again, then I'll have to buy another one. Maybe the same theme, you can buy it again as well.